Okay, in this video, I will show you how to repair your shoes after you walk in the StepN app. So this is the home page of StepN app. You click the shoes icon and then you click the shoes that you want to repair. I only have one, so I can click this one. And then as you can see here, my shoes has lessened to 96 over 100 decay. So if you want to repair, just click that repair icon here, second to the left on the bottom. And then it will tell you if you move this slide, if you want to reach the 100% again, it will cost you 1.84 GST. As you know, my shoes is level 12. So just click confirm. And that's it. I'm back to 100%. So ideally, we want to repair before it reach to 50% because it lessens your GST being earned. And also, it's advisable that you repair every after you walk so that you will get the maximum GST earning in your app. So that's it, guys. Please watch for other short videos that I will be posting in our YouTube channel, and of course please share and don't forget to subscribe. More short videos on StepN soon. Let's go and walk.